Hi guys, today I'm going to make review of my really funky builded, really mess around car. It's really funny for me because I make it where I was when I want to make something but I don't know what, and this is the idea and I made it. This car is with Lego piece. Who can make this? Okay, show that again. And these wheels are turning. Why the system isn't work? Oh my god, sorry for that crash. I don't put this thing well. Okay, this must be like that, with these wheels at the side, like that. And then, and he's going away. I will show you that again. Make it a little bit like that. This piece is in the down here. This thing, big thing, is like loaded thing. I got this thing from my friend who gave me that. I don't know why he do this, but see me. Oh, you play with Legos as well. I have got one piece. Maybe you like, and he gave me that. I really like it, but I don't use it anywhere. And I want to use it in car, and I make this. This car isn't have got the really fine design, but it still have got good thing, like this weapon in front, who can be turned. This angling stuff. They are the glasses. The glasses was really funky. This car was made to be funky, and I make the glass funky, but it's still well looking. You know, in front it was like so well car. If I can take this a little bit inside there. Yeah, and it comes around. Okay, he can take care of my minifigure. I broke the car. Okay, he can get inside one minifigure. Sorry for that. One minifigure and anything more than one minifigure. Okay, it's well car. Why make it real simple? Don't make it so designed and so details for it, but it's still good to watch and still good to have. And yes, this was all from this review. I was make 2 little crashes there. Sorry for that. Goodbye and see you next time.